What is going on, everybody? How's everybody doing? For those of you guys that are new to my channel, my name is Paul. I also go by the wrong shirt. I go by the Philly Flipper. This is my boy Kevin, Commonwealth Flipper. I'm the Philly Flipper. I'm a full-time reseller living in the Philadelphia area, hence the name. So today is June 30th, as you should see right there, 6 p.m. on June 30th. It is super hot, but that's beside the point. Tomorrow is the start of July, and right now a lot of people might be experiencing what they call the summer slowdown. Oh no, the summer slowdown. It's the worst, right? Now, I personally do not believe in the summer slowdown. I don't believe in it. Are the sales in summer slower than they are in Q4? Yes they are. Obviously Q4 is what we live for. Q4 is great for sales, but I still believe that there's still a lot of sales happening in the summer. As long as we put the work in, I believe the sales will happen. So what I am doing to challenge myself, and to anybody that is watching wants to participate, I want to list 750 items in July. 750 items. That is about 25 items a day. So I want to challenge you, whoever you are, to come along with me and get this stuff done. So I'm going to be accountable. If you guys follow me on Instagram at Philly Flipper, this is what my Instagram looks like right here. If you follow me on Instagram, I'm going to be posting daily on my story of what I did, how many listings I did, how many listings is left to do. If you guys want to participate, I welcome you guys to it. If you guys want to keep me on my toes and say, hey Paul, did you do anything today? Hey Paul, did you get any listings done today? Continue to keep me accountable to get the stuff done. So how am I going to be doing it? I'm going to be listing a lot of them with myself, using my hand, as Drew calls it, using my hand for all the listings. But I also will be doing a lot of listings on the hammoq app. What is the hammoq app? I talked about the hammoq app quite a bit now on my Instagram, in my stories. I talk about it on my live shows sometimes. So the hammoq app is an app I use to help me post. It's pretty much like a virtual assistant app where they give you a group of virtual assistants and they help you post various items to your eBay, to your Mercari, to your Poshmark. They do postings, they do cross listings, they do delistings. I personally use them just to post to eBay and to cross post to Mercari and to Poshmark. So here's how it works. So let's say I want to list these. The first thing I gotta do is obviously take the pictures of them. I already did that. You take the pictures. I use the photo room to edit the background out. So I got my pictures ready. After you take the pictures, then you open your hammoq app. That's what it looks like right there. You go to the little camera button. You go to the top where you select your pictures. I select all the ones I took. You see right here. I click done. Then what you do after you select your pictures, what you do next is you click on which marketplaces you want them to post to. So I'm pick all three, and then you just go pick if it's new with tags, new other, refurbished, new with defects, or used. I click used. You click the little blue button right here, and it submits it. It's easy as that. Then what happens when that is done? Usually the next morning I get a message on my WhatsApp group saying, hey, your draft has been submitted. It is ready to be looked over. Then you just click on your eBay app, you click on the drafts, and you look over to see if it's ready. This is the draft that they did for me for these shoes. So as you see, it says A6 women's gel Nimbus 14s, multicolor lace-up running shoes, size 8.5. They recommended that I sell them for $44 free shipping. That is what I went with. There's my pictures. You can scroll down, you see all of the stuff is filled up for you. The closure, the pattern, the shoe size, the style code, the Euro size, the accents, all of that is filled up, ready for you to go. The description, it's also all there. Everything that people needed in the description is ready to go. Very easily done. Now the good part about this is that the VAs are pretty much your employees. They give you a group of VAs and you can communicate with them saying, hey, I like your listing. Or you can say, hey, this listing needs to improve this way. Or let's say, for example, I don't want it to say ASIC Women's. I just want to say ASIC Gel Nimbus. And I want to put the women's towards the end of the title. I could say, hey, in the future, can you put the women's in front of the shoes? So we'll say ASIC Gel Nimbus 14s, top running women's shoes. You can pretty much just train them to how you want your posting to be, and they're pretty much your employees. They're going to put this in your notes and apply it to you and make you a perfect listing. And trust me, guys, I know this. I've been using this app for about a month, and I tell Chris from Flip the World that I think my VAs hate me because I am always on them saying, hey, could you change this? Hey, could you do this? Hey, could you apply this? Hey, could you delete this? And they apply it into the next one, and every single draft is becoming better than the last. So I love the app. I love to use Hammoq app. So what I'm using Hammoq for is gonna be all my shoes, because I don't like to list shoes, all my clothes, because I don't like to list clothes. That's what they're gonna be helping me with this challenge. If you guys want to try to use Hammoq, you definitely can. Download the app. The beautiful part about them is there's no contract. If you use them for a month, if you don't like it, you can just cancel. But if you do use them, use the code Philly Phlipper. How you see it right here, Philly Phlipper. It's case sensitive, so use both capital P's and no spaces. That way, if you use it, you'll get $25 in free credits, and so will I. I'll get some free credits, guys. And I need it for my challenge. But yeah, that's it. That's all I want to talk about Hammoq. I don't want to make a huge announcement about it, but that's it. So pretty much the goal of the video is to keep myself accountable. I'm doing this video. It's gonna be released July 1st. I'm gonna be making updates on this throughout the month, and I'll do a end of the month result on how many stuff I did list and if it resulted in more sales or not. So guys, I want to encourage you guys to join me on this challenge. Let's do it. Let's get to work. Let's get 750 listings done in July, 25 listings a day. Let's put in this effort and get these listings. That should result in more activity on our eBay stores, which will result in more eyeballs watching our stuff, which hopefully will result in more people buying our items. So that way we can count the money at the end of the month. You guys are more than welcome to join me on this challenge. Just use the hashtag like July 750. I think that's what I'm gonna do in your Instagram posts or your Instagram stories. Tag me in all your stories so we can encourage each other, keep each other accountable, and inspire each other to continue to list throughout the super hot month. Whew, all right guys, that's gonna be it for me. It is way too hot to be out here. I'm gonna go back to my office and get to work. Let's get some listings done. All right, y'all, I'll see you later. Peace out.